first and foremost, it was the cause. I mean, raising money and awareness for Shriners Hospital, but then just the camaraderie and the fun. This is our first event, but we're obviously going to come back next year and do things like this. I mean, where else can you see 100 supercars, everything from, again, a 66 GT40 to McLarens and Lambos and Ferraris and even just regular Camaros and stuff like that too. So the event has just been phenomenal. We've been having a blast. These guys have been, the detailing of the cars, the cleaning of the cars, and just their overall customer service has been nothing short of phenomenal. I mean, every time we turn around, it's just like someone's taking care of it. Our car was used at the Wild Horse last night to show off in front of the, in front of the saloon out there, and they cleaned it when we showed up. They were sitting there waiting for us, and then they got down there and they cleaned it again, and they cleaned it the third time, and then it got rained on, and you can see they're out here doing it again. I mean, the guys are just awesome. The product's been great. Every time we come out, we think the car is absolutely atrocious, especially from our track use, and then we turn around and it looks like brand new, show ready again.
What's up, guys? I am Larry from Black Star, one of the sponsors of Crown Rally on Crown 12. I'm standing in front of my McLaren 720 Spider. This rally's themed. I'm not wearing costume right now. We are Crown Most Wanted or Crown on the Run. You've got a great car community that comes together and literally just throws money at these charities. Luckily, everybody that participates in this, we're all fortunate to give back, and we do. So yeah, Black Star, we are a Gtechniq accredited shop. We use all of their coatings and products. Love the stuff. I do have my car coated. That's why all you see are little nice water bubbles on my car. Nothing sticks. I didn't even use my wipers yesterday. Love the product. Literally every car that came out of my shop for the rally were ceramic coated with different levels of Gtechniq products. We use it on a daily. All our customers get it. Half the rally cars that came from me get it. They're actually here with us. They're a sponsor of the rally. They've been keeping our cars clean, keeping our cars coated. Great stuff. Happy I signed up with them. Literally, we do not use any other product in the shop other than Gtechniq. Anybody who knows my shop, we specialize in luxury and exotic vehicles, and it's the only coatings we use.
Hey, what's up? This is Steve. We're here in Charlotte. 65, 70 cars we gotta get clean tonight. Here with Gtechniq, doing the Crown Rally.
Yo, what's going on, everybody? This is Lamont. Hey, we out here at Crown Rally for a cause for those kids. So we out here getting these cars washed up, getting them everything ready, so that way when we get out there and everyone's coming by, they see these nice shiny cars, and guess what? Gtechniq is the bomb.